Yo, peeps. So it's been 1 year. Yeah, 1 year now. New year just start. Just want to know some there. Still I fight the fight. Still I hold on. Odds are gonna stay strong. You know the country youths do it. To all the people who that support me, continue support. No nothing but love, alright?
Gaza Nation, Caucasians. This is not for una.
Remember to subscribe. Welcome on YouTube. Big up all the viewers, big up all the subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to Jamaica Extra, do yourself a favor and subscribe. So Usain Bolt still not get back in money yet after over a year. And we have to talk about this because he recently went to Instagram and he left a couple of cryptic messages. This one here being one of them. Time longer than rope. Remember that. Now, I'm not sure who Usain Bolt is talking. Maybe he got some information when he can't really put out like that. But, probably who him a throw him word pan, know who him attack. The other one him says, they banking on the country youth, love for his country. But ask yourself, do they love their country or themselves? Another one make me have to think to myself and scratch my head and say, wonder who him attack. Another one is, he just put up say a fake news. So, in reality, this is just, it's a sad situation for Usain Bolt right now. And a sad situation for Jamaica, right? Because Usain Bolt is like probably the greatest athlete Jamaica ever had. Undoubtedly. And the fact that Usain Bolt has to go through what I go through right now is just unbearable. I mean, it was $12 million that they took from his account, his savings account, and left him with $12,000. That's preposterous. Like, to do that to somebody who is out there like that, people, right? Doing the country very proud and making everybody proud. I remember when he was breaking the record. The same country youth where you see on your screen here from Trelawney. It's a very sad situation because for real, if I was to give $1, like make every Jamaican give $1. You understand? So Usain Bolt can get back in money. Because to tell you the truth, me would have been the first Jamaican to give him $5 probably. Or even more than that. And everybody can donate so we can make sure that you get back in money, man. I'm pretty sure he'll be able to make back this money, but it's just the fairness of losing $12 million like that. And we not really hear nothing from, we not really hear nothing too tough really from this situation. So me that like him get back in money, every single penny, because him deserve it. The man train hard. Him have to get up in the early morning, do some running, do them stretching. The things where Usain Bolt had to go through to get to the level where him get to. Only, for this to happen to him, it's just sickening. And I really hope that he does get back every single penny, because he truly deserves it. And I don't think anybody out there would argue and say no, him shouldn't get it, because can you imagine being an athlete, getting up, running, being so successful that the whole world know, right? You start getting all these endorsement deals from Puma, all these different avenues of stream of income coming in, and you putting it up, right? And you making sure, say, listen, my future I go set. So you kind of plan for your future, only for this to happen. It's saddening, and this is something that I'm a Jamaican, but I am very mad with this situation, and I'm not proud to know that he's facing this. You know what I mean? And I think a lot of people can sympathize and understand the plight of this athlete. Usain Bolt is a great athlete, great. And really, we should really be you know, trying our best to assist him in any way that we can. Even the Jamaican government right now need to be assisting Usain Bolt in any way that they can. And I'm not really seeing that right now, but hopefully something will change and he will be able to get back every single penny that he deserves, you know. And what do you think about that? I know say probably enough people feel the same sentiment that I feel, that, you know, he's due that, right? It's his money and he should get back every penny. I want to know what you feel about that. I want to kind of talk to me about that one. Yeah. I want to leave in the comments, in the comment section. I want to truly have a discussion about this, because if Usain Bolt really don't get back in money in the time frame, I mean, him don't post a time longer than rope, you know. And the fact that, you know, it's been over a year now, probably going into 2 years, and we still not hear nothing really. It's just really telling. I mean, if they are gonna chop the line, please not chop Usain Bolt line, because Usain Bolt is Jamaica's national treasure, and I really think that him need to be even one of the people them where them at some point them put on a money or something, because, you know, him do the country very proud, and I think everybody can accept that. And we just want to know what you feel about that. If you don't agree with me, or if you don't have some type of different discussion what you want to give. So feel free to put it in the comment section below, and we can discuss this further, because we really need to talk about this one, yeah, and see, you know, how we can come to a solution. Alright, so leave in the comments in the comment section below, and make sure to like the video and subscribe. I want to talk about this next topic, you know. Watch you now. Yes, people, so the second part of this video, we're going to discuss Vybz Kartel and the fact that he went to Instagram to defend Sidem, his fiancée, because a lot of people are saying not nice things to her, as far as like where she dress, where she carry herself, if she don't have no money where she can buy stuff, you know, them type of stuff there, you know. So it's not complimentary. Hear what the boss had to say.
Guys and nation, cock your ears. This is not for una. You know where me I'm a woman, fiancé, and, you know, my little son Ikodan, we go Panama, do a little shopping and thing, and, you know, have a little vacation, and bring my son, as I say. Little I did it there as well, but I never really mean him go with. We just happen to be on the same flight, blah blah blah. Yeah, so I really see them. I could go. Alright. Don't know I could give him one. You remember how much money me give him, but it was a lot. And we give them some money to me. I don't know, maybe it was 30,000 US or something along them line, the 28,000. And when we did go shopping, she said, "Oh, these things are so expensive." And we said, "Babes, you have the money. Anything you want, just buy. I got you." You know the most expensive thing she buy? Was a purse, a Gucci purse for my mother. About 2,600 US. That's the most expensive thing she buy. She's not a fussy girl, you know? Yeah, I remember everybody want dress like her, like Una. You know what I mean? Yeah, some people just good with them modest dressing and thing. And she good, you know. Anything she want, me give her. So yeah, and no for now, me say I come here, I go for this one no more. But when I go up on no page, me see someone a sufferer, on hungry. So I'm not going to add insult to injury. You know what I mean? Yeah. Just, no say, babe, my baby is good. Anything she want, I got her. Yeah, man, a rich life, man. No? Oh. I'm out.
Yes, people. So, when I just say the video, what do you think about that? What do you think about Kartel a defend him fiancé? Because clearly that him a do, right? He must say too much negative posts about or this and or that. You understand what I say? Which I kinda overstand the thing, because it does get to a level where it have become too much now. You see me? But in the interim, you know, people, I feel like Kartel for really take note. Say there's some things called troll. There's some people called trolls out there where just get behind them keyboard and them post out one bag of stuff and them want to draw you out, right? Because I've seen it, I've experienced it, and I think probably a lot of people out there experience it too, right? You get online, you post something, somebody have something negative to say, them start, you know, one bag of negative stuff on your post. But guess what now? My mother always tell me, say, listen, if you don't have nothing good to say, you have to shut your mouth. And in this case, if you don't have nothing good to say, you have to stop type. Maybe hit a like button. You understand what I deal with? Because at the end of the day, you don't know, say, whatever you say, nah, stop them people you from prosper. They might live them life, and you know, people out there really need to live them life. It's kind of sad, you know, if you sit down and criticize people this and criticize people that. You know, just live your life. But, you know what I mean? That's my opinion still. Everybody have for them. One thing, more hear phone opinion. I want to type it in the comment section below. More hear what you feel about everything. You think he has a valid point? You think say him for defend him fiancé? Or you think say maybe him should even say nothing? You know, this is not something that is that big of a deal. More know what you think. You know, leave in the comment section below. Like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Jamaica Extra for the latest news. I'm out.